How to show hidden files in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to make hidden files and folders visible in File Explorer. First, open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing Windows key plus E. From there, click on View in the toolbar at the top of the window. After that, hover over Show from the drop-down menu that appears. At this point, you'll see an option labeled Hidden Items in the submenu. From here, click on it to toggle Hidden Files on. A checkmark will appear next to it confirming they're now visible. Following this, any files or folders that were previously hidden will now show up in File Explorer with a slightly faded appearance to distinguish them from regular files. After that, if you want this setting to apply permanently across all folders on your device, click the three dots in the File Explorer toolbar and select Options. From there, click the View tab inside the Folder Options window. At this point, look for the option labeled Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, and select it. Then click Apply and OK to save it as a default across your entire system. Finally, keep in mind that some files are hidden by default for a reason, so avoid modifying or deleting anything in the hidden files unless you know exactly what it is. That's how you show hidden files in Windows 11. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.